Hi, kindergarten artists. Today we're going to learn about something called focal point. And the focal point in a piece of artwork is how artists get you to pay attention to their main idea. They use something called a focal point, and we can compare it to something like a main character in a book. So in the Harry Potter series, Harry Potter is the character that you follow throughout the whole book and throughout several different books. So we are going to look at this piece of artwork real quick to see if you can figure out what the focal point is. If you guess this red heart here, then you are correct. The artist used color, size, and space to show the focal point. Now in this painting, the color really helped us find that focal point. In some of the other paintings we're going to look at, artists use different kinds of ways to show the focal point. If we take a look at this painting, the artist really drew our eye into the focal point. What do you think the focal point is here? Yes, it's going to be the tree. If you notice, the tree is all of those really bright red colors, and around the tree are kind of dull colors, neutral colors, and it looks a little chilly and windy around there. But the tree, the color of the tree really helped draw our eye to it. It's also the largest thing in the picture, and it's farther away from us. So there is a lot of space around the tree. The tree is a different color, and it's the largest object in the painting. Those three things helped us find the focal point very easily. In this painting by Paul Cézanne, it looks like the fruit is having a conversation. So if this fruit were having a conversation, who do you think might be talking the most? I would guess that the pear in the center of the picture is the one that's going to be doing all of the talking. This pear is the largest fruit in the picture. This pear is in the center of the painting, and the colors are much more vibrant or brighter than the other fruits. So this would probably be the focal point in this painting. This is a very famous painting called The Scream by Edvard Munch. We're not quite sure what he meant by this painting, but we can definitely tell where the focal point is. He really wanted us to pay attention to this guy right here in the front. He is very large in the picture, he's in the center of the picture, and his colors are very different from the rest of the picture. All around him are warm skies and curving oceans, and he is down here in lots of dark neutral colors. He's grabbing our attention too by the way he's standing. So I'm willing to bet that he would be the focal point in this painting. Today, when you create your artwork, we're going to practice creating a focal point using different families of colors. So inside the focal point, I've used warm colors, and outside the focal point, I chose cool colors. Another way you could do this is if you had cool colors inside the hand and warm colors around the hand. One final way to do it is if you had lots of dark colors in one area and lots of light colors in another area. Having things that contrast each other or are very different from each other help to show that focal point. So when you create your artwork today, think about which family of colors you would like to have in your focal point.